This is a short video to explain the use of the meeting scheduler for the Aerospace Tech Week Americas event. Please note that the app icon layout and order may change. We need to enter Meeting Scheduler, the handshake which is currently in the bottom left-hand corner. Once we go into that, it opens up an overview of the event, where you have the event title, the location. What we're interested in looking at is the two persons icon in the top bar. When I select that, it opens up a list of the attendees. Now you can search on an attendee name or their company. So if I tap in here, Adrian, you will see that I then get a list of everyone who contains ADRI. So I will select Adrian. The options now are to send a message or request a meeting, which is what we will do. I can add in my title. The days are restricted to the event days of the 8th and 9th of November. The meetings can be scheduled between 9 a.m. and 4:30 at half-an-hour intervals. If you wish to select more than one person, you can do. Just simply enter their name or company as we did previously. The location, you can select exhibitor booth, which means you will meet your required attendee on a particular booth, or the registration area or the catering area. So in this occasion, we'll select the exhibitor booth. You can then add your description. And hit save. What then happens is the selected person will receive an email with your invite. If you come out of the attendee list and go to the calendar icon, you will then see that your meeting is listed here. So you can make any amendments to it by the pencil icon. If you wish to cancel, you can hit the bin icon. Because you sent the request, you're defaulted to yes as to will you attend. And that is it. It's as simple as that to schedule your meetings. Thank you very much.